Number 1, red. The American flag is red, white, and blue. Red. Number 2, bed. Make sure to brush your teeth before you get in bed. Bed. Number 3, get. I hope you get everything you wish for your birthday. Get. Number 4, 10. There are 10 girls in our class. 10. Number 5, hen. I saw a hen on our field trip to the farm. Hen. Number 6, pet. I have a dog as a pet. Pet. Number 7, lead. The boy led me into his classroom. Led. Number 8, pen. I had 10 Bravo bucks, so I traded it in for a ticket to use a pen for a day. Pen. Number 9, jet. I wish I could hop on a jet and fly to see my grandma. Jet. And number 10, bet. I bet you I could beat you all the way across the field. Ready, set, go. Bet. Okay, and let's check our words. Make sure that you are double checking that all of the letters and sounds are there. Number 1, red. 2, bed. 3, get. 4, 10. 5, hen. 6, pet. 7, lead. 8, pen. 9, jet. 10, bet. Make sure you submit.